this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 176 centigrade, for 10 minutes. At 5 minutes, I'm gonna shake the pan and then let it finish roasting. These are raw almonds, and I have about 2 cups here. Honestly, it doesn't matter. You make as much of this as you want, okay? Every oven is different, so if you start smelling the almonds, take them out. They will burn fast, okay? Be careful with that. So now, I'm just gonna let these cool down, but I don't want them to get completely cold. I just want them to be warm, and then we will process them, okay? All right, the reason we wanna do this with warm almonds is because they will process faster, but if they're cold, they'll process anyway. So now we'll put these inside the processor, okay? Here's the thing with this, guys. You have to be patient. You will get butter. It will take a little bit. Every machine is different. Yours might be faster than mine, but just be patient, okay? By the way, I'm processing this on high. This has been processing for a couple minutes. I just want to move it around with my spatula. So this has been about 4 minutes now. I want to show you. It's turning into a paste. Keep on going. Go ahead and use your spatula. All right, this has been about 5 minutes now. I just want to show you what's going on. I have an almost butter on top, but the bottom is caked. So I'm gonna use a spoon to just mix it up so it blends, you know, evenly. This is almost ready. And here we have it, guys. It's beautiful. Some optional additions to this: salt. I am gonna add a little salt. Little cinnamon if you want. You can put some honey in it, a little bit, or a little bit of maple syrup. I am just gonna put salt in it and give it a good pulse, okay? I'm gonna put this in a jar now, and it'll last me in the refrigerator about 2 weeks. You use, you know, your smell and taste to decide if yours has gone bad, but 2 weeks is pretty safe. And here we have a perfect, delicious almond butter. What a great snack, guys, on a whole grain cracker. Wonderful. Cheaper than buying it at the store, and you know exactly what's in it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.